Hi, my name is Chris Lyon, and I am the quality manager at Chaparral Regional Hospital. I'm going to be presenting a uh, quality improvement plan here, discussing how quality improvement programs are used in a healthcare setting. To start, we will discuss why are quality improvement programs developed. Quality improvement programs are developed to enhance safety, efficiency, and effectiveness within a healthcare facility. Many physicians strive to find new and improved ways to provide top quality service to their patients. Quality improvement programs give support to those physicians and their staff to help improve their daily work. Quality improvement programs also help processes generate better results. After all, that is the purpose of the quality improvement programs, is to improve processes in order to achieve a higher standard of quality. There can somewhat be a cycle with quality improvement programs, and here's an example of how that cycle may go. Quality improvement programs were put into place to help provide new enhanced methods that will help reduce costs. Having reduced costs will then help provide access to new technologies. And then new technologies will then lead back to providing a higher quality of care for patients. Next, we'll discuss how a quality improvement program is used in healthcare. The main goals of a quality improvement program is to improve patient safety, improve the quality of care, exceed expectations of care, make it easier to receive care, and locating issues and then fixing those issues. All of these items can be achieved by implementing new technologies, purchasing new equipment, creating improved processes, updating facilities, continuous staff improvement, and using patient feedback. Finally, we will discuss how would we use the quality improvement program at Chaparral Regional Hospital. The overall goal of our quality improvement program would be to provide the patient with the highest quality of service possible. We would be able to achieve this by using a quality improvement survey and taking feedback from that survey to help repair issues within our facility or processes. Some of the examples of items that we will consider during a quality improvement plan are: first, updating facilities. For example, our ER department is outdated. Could this be updated and layout reconfigured for better quality care and to make wait times shorter? Secondly, there's updating levels of quality of care. This can be done all around in our departments. As the industry changes and medical care evolves, we need to keep up with that. Next, we have update equipment. Better equipment equals better quality of care and patient outcomes. Could rehab equipment be updated? Next, we have advances in surgical procedures. Surgery is an ever-evolving area of medical care, and new and advanced methods are forthcoming. The same goes with our next item, which is advances in therapeutic methods. This is also an area that is evolving, and new advanced methods are forthcoming on how to help patients with rehabilitation. Our final item is improving wait times. This is an area where we can improve on in our ER and for any other medical procedures. Shorter wait times usually lead to happier and better quality of patient outcome. At this time, we have discussed how we would use a QI plan and how QI plans are used in healthcare settings. I hope this information has been helpful to you. Again, this is Chris Lyon, Quality Manager at Chaparral Hospital. Thank you.